Value innerwear players such as Dollar Industries and Rupa Company have posted strong double digit earnings growth on a year on year basis in Q2 FY22. Volume growth on account of increased demand following the unlocking measures as well as price hikes helped deliver earnings growth. With increased share of fast-growing segments such as athleisure, women and kids segment, and the scope of market share gains from the unorganized segment, organized innerwear players are poised for healthy and mid-high teen revenue growth over the next 2-3 years. While raw material prices have increased steeply, innerwear players will largely be able to pass on the cost increase, given the essential nature of the products. Innerwear was among the few segments to grow last fiscal given the essential nature of the category. The segment will relatively outperform in a scenario of rising COVID 19 infections in India owing to a possible third wave. Dollar has been ramping up Project Lakshya, under which semi wholesalers would be eliminated from the system. Also, a distributor will be given a particular area to deepen the company's presence in that region rather than the current system of multiple areas. Overall, the company plans to touch higher retail points through this system. Dollar Industries has so far enrolled 91 distributors and plans to cover its entire network over 4 years. Rupa is focusing on building its network presence in states where it has recently entered, such as Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Maharashtra, and Chhattisgarh, as well as states in southern India. Both companies also plan to open exclusive business outlets. Rupa currently has 17 exclusive business outlets and plans to open 15 more over the next 2 years. Dollar opened its first exclusive business outlets in October 2021 and plans to open about 100 more over the next 3 years. Both Dollar and Rupa plan to increase the presence in the women's innerwear segment where they have a relatively lower presence. This segment is growing faster given the increasing brand consciousness among women and increasing women workforce. Athleisure segment has also been growing fast owing to the increased consumer preference and companies are introducing more products to tap demand. In addition, Rupa is focusing on the kids segment and aims to increase its contribution from 4% currently to 10% over the next few years. Cotton prices have been surging and have gone up by about 45% in the October 2020 to September 2021 period. Value innerwear players have hiked prices by about 20 to 25% in multiple rounds. The cotton crop season starting October 2021 was supposed to enhance supply and cool off prices. However, given the robust demand, cotton prices have continued their upward journey and have increased by about 20% in the past 2 months. Furthermore, the government has increased GST rates for the hosiery industry from 5% currently to 12% from January 2022. Value innerwear players have been able to pass on the steep price increases in the past given the essential nature of the product. We expect companies to largely pass on the price increase to consumers. At the current market price, Dollar and Rupa are trading at profit per earning of 18 and 17 times respectively on FY23 projected earnings, which is discount to their respective long-term historical average multiples. Both the companies are poised for double-digit earnings growth over the next 2-3 years. This would drive stock performance. Also, given the essential nature of the segment, it would outperform in a scenario of lockdowns or restrictions if there is a third wave of COVID 19 after the detection of the Omicron variant. Any weakness in the stock price would be an opportunity to add both Dollar and Rupa in the portfolio.